Hey, what's up, everybody? Kendrick McCarty here from Inception Telehealth. I wanted to go through a couple things. Basically, there's a lot of confusion between milliliters and units and milligrams. So when we prescribe medications, they may be used in different types of conversions, and I want to try to clarify that so people aren't injecting the wrong dosage of medications. Because there are so many different modalities and different types of syringes, it can be very confusing, so I understand, but I also want to try to limit the amount of probability that there's going to be a mistake in the dosage given. So I'm going to give a couple different examples, a couple different size syringes, and hopefully we can work through some of that. Okay, so this is what the typical insulin type syringe is going to look like. It's numbered 10, 20, 30, etc., all the way up to 100 units. Now, 100 units is the equivalent of 1 milliliter. So that's where sometimes it can get a little confusing. If I were to prescribe 0.5 milliliters, which in some syringes, they're going to be labeled a little bit differently. And you'll see on this syringe over here, it's labeled 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, because it's actually converting the units to milliliters. So you'll see it's exactly the same amount. So 0.5 milliliters, which is half a milliliter, is the equivalent of 50 units. So you'll see that that's why a lot of times it can be confusing where someone looks at a syringe, and if I prescribe 0.5, it can be confusing and someone may inject only 5 units, which is a tenth of the percentage of dose that they actually should be injecting. I wanted to make this video just so there was a reference point. 1 milliliter is the same as 100 units. 0.1 equals 10 units. 0.2 equals 20 units, etc. Now, if any of those dosages or conversions seem uncomfortable for you or still a little confusing, never hesitate to reach out to your provider to get clarification. We don't want you injecting the wrong dosage, which could lead to unnecessary side effects. So remember, don't guess, just call, get reassurance so we can make sure that there are none of those negative side effects that we need to worry about due to an inaccurate dose injection.